Not seeing the smallest rotation they're seeing with the phone product for sure, right here at the bottom of it. Even something like this, you don't see it actually touching down. Just because the condensation funnel doesn't make it all the way to the surface, at times you'll have the rotation make it to the surface, even though the cloud or the condensation part of it doesn't. So the folks on the east side of Topeka, you need to be taking cover right now from the surface safety device, real quick, if you will. Thank you. And again, we're on the east side of Topeka right now. Take that 22. You're like that middle right now. Okay, there's what we're looking at. Location showing up right here on the east side of the city. Very close, again, to what I mentioned. You're close to the company at this time. You're very close to where the turnpike begins. We can get on and to head over to the Kansas City area. Rotation showing up right here. So the TV stations over here, our storm chasers are down here. They're seeing it from the south. We're seeing it straight from west to east. And likely this is touched down in the last couple of minutes from the outside of the city. Let's go ahead and take our scan away around it. Computer, the tornado safety precautions, please. Okay.